Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you some tips on how to deal with drunk passengers. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. The first thing I do is when they get in the car, ask them how drunk they are and if they feel like they need to puke or not. Make sure you have barf bags and make sure you show them where they are. You should also remind them that if they puke in the car, you'll be submitting a cleaning fee that's going to cost them probably about $150. Also, I'd offer to pull over if they want to puke on the street. I have no problem pulling over for them to puke outside. That way it eliminates them missing the bag and maybe getting some in the car. It's probably best if you try and avoid the cleaning fee because it's going to cost you a lot of time, if anything. These types of people will most likely be loud and rowdy, so you're going to have a thick skin. And be more patient with them because they're not going to be all there, if you know what I mean. You also want to let them know in a firm but polite way that this is your car and your car equals your rules. After greeting them and asking them these few necessary questions, you could just be silent and focus on driving. That'll hopefully keep the passengers from bothering you, and it might actually scare them a little bit as well from not being unruly. Mind games, if you will. If they become annoying and ask incoherent questions or whatever, just ignore them and focus on driving. This is where the thick skin part comes in. And remember, you only have to deal with this person for a short amount of time. So you just have to suck it up a little bit, and remember that after this, you won't ever have to see this person again. If something happens where you fear for your safety, or they are being obnoxiously unruly to the point where it's totally unacceptable, pull over and end the ride. It's as simple as that. Your car, your rules, remember? If a passenger is that drunk and can't even be semi-pleasant, well then that warrants getting kicked to the curb, a 1-star, and a report to support. Drivers, what's the worst drunk passenger story you have? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.